Hi, good day. I am Nice Espinosa Belgar, a passionate mathematics educator. I hold the Bachelor of Science in Mathematics through perseverance and hard work. Additionally, I possess 2 master's degrees in education, one focusing on mathematics and the other in guidance and counseling. I have completed 27 units towards my doctorate. Currently, I am pursuing a diploma in special education, which has enhanced my understanding of the diverse needs of learners. With 15 years of experience as a secondary mathematics teacher and 9 years experience as a college instructor, I am proudly served as a class advisor for 15 years and have been designated as a guidance counselor for 5 years and information and communication technology coordinator of the same duration. I also have a year experience as a learner system coordinator. Currently, I serve as a grade leader for 11th grade where I guide both students and fellow educators to foster an inclusive and effective learning environment. As educator, my teaching philosophy, I believe that every learner is unique with their own distinct learning styles and needs. I am a strong advocate for differentiated instructions and tailoring my approach to meet the diverse requirements of every student. By adjusting the pace of my instruction, I create an environment where all students can thrive and succeed. I am committed to providing a variety of learning activities that cater to individual strengths, ensuring that every student feels valued in the classroom and supported throughout their educational journey. I am excited this opportunity to share with extensive experience, passion to education, and dedication to student success. Thank you.